Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Pinkapoo, and today, we're kicking off vlog 2 of my London adventure. I'm so excited to take you around with me. Trust me, it's going to be an amazing ride, and you won't want to miss it. Let's dive into it. So, I just landed in London, and wow, what a view. I love how this city has so much energy. Whether you're walking through the streets or on the tube, there's always something happening. The vibe is just unmatched. Right now, I'm heading to my hotel, and I can't wait to freshen up and get out there. First stop, exploring the famous landmarks. Let's see what we can get up to today. Okay, I've officially made it to the Tower of London, and I'm in awe. It's even cooler in person than in photos. London really knows how to make history feel alive. All right, I had to stop for a quick food break. You know I couldn't come to London without trying some classic British eats. Today's choice: fish and chips, of course. I found this local spot that's getting great reviews, and I've got to say, the vibe here is perfect for a chill meal. Meanwhile, I am having my lunch. For a quick review, I'm sharing 16 must-visit spots in London that you definitely need to check out during your trip. Trust me, these places have some absolutely jaw-dropping views. Now I'm off to Hyde Park. The sun's out, the weather is amazing, and I'm just taking it all in. All right, it's starting to get dark now, and London at night? Wow, it's next level. The lights, the vibe, it's such a mood. I'm currently walking around the South Bank, and it's buzzing with life. I've got some cool plans for tomorrow too, so stay tuned for that. So that's a wrap for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me as I explored London. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me what you want to see next. I've got so much more to share, so stay tuned for vlog 3. Things are about to get even more exciting. Catch you later.